Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating your BitLocker recovery key. Check your Microsoft account, USB, paper copy, or Azure AD. Once you have the key, restart the HP and trigger the recovery screen by attempting to log in. Make sure you have admin credentials and a second internet-enabled device nearby for account access or to view saved keys. Now, keep the key handy and do not force shutdowns. Abrupt power cuts can complicate disk integrity checks and lengthen recovery time. At the BitLocker prompt, type the full 48-digit recovery key exactly. Once done, the drive will unlock and you can boot. If the key is rejected, reboot into the HP recovery environment and run startup repair to fix boot files that prevent key validation. Alternatively, open command prompt from recovery and run manage BDE unlock X. Recovery password followed by your key to force an unlock. Then run manage BDE status to confirm. Make sure drive letters match, and once you regain access, suspend BitLocker from control panel or settings to prevent repeated prompts while you fix TPM or PIN issues. Next, decrypt or reset your TPM and set a new PIN if needed. Then re-enable BitLocker and immediately back up the new 48-digit recovery key to your Microsoft account or a secure USB. If problems persist, check TPM state in BIOS, update HP firmware, and run Windows updates. These steps usually resolve compatibility issues. If still failing, contact HP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.